So we're here at the Ronald McDonald House in Hamilton, Ontario, and we're super excited to surprise them with this huge novelty check. We just rolled into Ronald McDonald House in Ottawa.
Wow!
Oh my gosh!
Hey Bunkie Lifers, I'm on a train. I'm heading to Ottawa and I've got a huge novelty check. What's it for? Find out. So we're here at Ronald McDonald House in Ottawa. It's my first time actually physically being here. It's been a pleasure to support them for years, but it's the first time I get to meet everyone and finally shake some hands. Hello, this is David Fraser. I'm from Bunkie Life. How are you?
Good, how are you?
You too.
Oh, this is... Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we just met at the beginning of COVID, and
It was one of those things.
It was one of those things. I feel like I know you in person, but I guess it's just been on a screen. Example of what our rooms look like. This is one of the biggest ones because it's on the end.
Yeah.
Our longest stay was 2.5 years by a family from Nunavut. If you're diagnosed with cancer, for example, you'll often stay for about 10 months just to get through all the initial treatments before you go home. It really varies.
Yeah.
We have a lot of, I would say our average stay per year is about 15 days. That takes into account the 10-month stays and then the follow-up visits for scans and blood work, and those might be only a night.
Yeah.
That was put on to the house, I'm not sure how many years ago, maybe 10 or 15, but it's where it's perfectly located because families can cook, parents can cook, and their kids can be playing here and they still have a view to them without having to worry about them. And
So we're honored that we have a room. Hey guys, I brought you this huge novelty check.
Oh,
check it out.
Oh my gosh!
There you go.
David, this is incredible!
my God.
This is from all the Bunkie Life communities, and so this is our gift to you.
Thank you so much. You have supported us since the beginning, and you've always been so generous. And this is incredible. This is
It's
much
not just
more.
us, it's the whole Bunkie Life team, the whole community, all of
Yeah.
our clients and everybody coming together. So.
Well,
Yeah.
huge thank you to the Bunkie Life team. Huge thank you to all your clients. We are so grateful, and we're looking forward to putting this to work to help serve families.
We are honored, thrilled, just delighted, and so excited about the gift from Bunkie Life this year. The company's doing so well, and you guys have been so generous and have kept us along with you for the whole ride, and we're really, it's a privilege to work here. It's a privilege to serve these families, and we feel so privileged to receive this incredible gift from Bunkie Life.
Hey, so it's David and Karrie. We're excited to be here in front of the Ronald McDonald House in Hamilton, Ontario. We got our big novelty check, and we're excited to surprise them. Hello, how are you?
Portion of the year, I'd say from January right through till late summer, we had a wait list of about 7 families every single day. A soundproof recording studio.
Oh, no way.
And there's a video capture machine there. Every video game console we have, obviously the pool table and things like that, we've got all.
Hey guys, I just wanted to drop off this comically huge check to Ronald McDonald House here in Hamilton. So this is from the Bunkie Life community, all of us to you.
Wow, that's awesome. Guys, I can't tell you how much this means to our families. This check alone is probably going to put up essentially cover 2 rooms in our house. And what that means is essentially 2 families that come in here that don't know how long they're going to stay, don't know how they're going to afford to kind of manage life with a sick child. We'll probably know now that Bunkie Life's kind of got their back, and they're allowed to stay here for as long as they need to.
Hi, I'm Mario Dedavides. I'm the CEO of Ronald McDonald House for South Central Ontario. We're here located in Hamilton, but we serve the community of South Central Ontario. So that's the Niagara region, Halton region, Hamilton, KW, Guelph, and Brantford, and any other outliers that will need our services. Essentially, we're a home away from home for families. So I try to tell people to imagine what it would be like to have a sick child that needed treatment at a specialized children's hospital. That would require mom and dad to commute. And I know many Ontarians know the feeling of commuting for work. I question how many know the feeling of commuting to be with their child. To us, we just got an incredible check today for $16,500. That pays for nearly 2 years of stay for a family in our house. Aside from the financial side, Bunkie Life also cared about the well-being of our families. We are talking about building bunkies amongst our beautiful home here. Again, they understand families, they understand children, and they value it. So to the Bunkie Life family, on behalf of all of our families at RMHC SCO, I thank you so much for keeping families close.
This is kind of one of the first years that we've been able to come in person to donate because, with COVID, and especially being around, families that are seeing sick children, things were pretty strict in all the houses. So, this year we've been able to come and donate in person and get tours of the houses, and it's truly remarkable to see the amount of thought and effort that goes into making every space in the house family oriented. Their sole purpose of helping families stay together just shines through in every aspect of it. You think about donating and you're like, oh yeah, I would want help if I were in that situation. But when you see it live in person and you see the people that are being benefited from it, you're just like, what more can we do? How can we help more?
Yeah, and the impression you get too from everybody that works, either the volunteers or the actual people on staff, is like they're really here because they love helping families, which is really inspiring, I think, because you can tell it's not just a job for these people, which is great. And every decision they make is based around how can we make this better for families? How can we make this more comfortable? How can we make this just, I guess a harbor in a storm, which is what the families that are staying here are going through. And so I'm inspired even more so than I was when we started. So really excited to see the Ottawa chapter, the Hamilton chapter. I'm sure we'll see more as we go.